what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error that says get this app from Google Play Store or any errors. So for example, if you are being faced that error, you're going to have to immediately restart your device. Once you have restarted your device, check your Wi-Fi connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is lower, select your secondary Wi-Fi, or you can also switch it to your mobile data if there is any. Now next, what you could do instead is head over to your Google Play Store and simply search for this application directly and download it from here. And as you do that, it will definitely fix your problem. If it's still not working, then all you have to do is clear some cache off your maybe Chrome if you are using Chrome. So long tap onto Chrome, then select this eye icon. Scroll below, select storage and clear the cache. Now again, restart your device, try the same process that I showed you and it will fix the problem. Thank you for watching.